Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to unrestrict someone in Facebook Messenger. We start by opening Messenger. After that, we open the drop-down menu and enter the settings icon. Here we will click on Privacy and Security. Next, we will click on Restricted Accounts. Here we will see the accounts that we have restricted. To remove a restriction, we click on the restricted account and we will see that the conversation opens. At the bottom, we click on the option to unrestrict. Finally, we will have removed the restriction that we had with that contact. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.